What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing a freaking waxing myself. I'm gonna cut my armpits. My armpits looking raggedy. I'm gonna shave my legs. I might give myself a Brazilian wax. I'm not sure what I want to do yet. This gonna be crazy. No, I need to go ahead and like cut this. What I'm going to do with this is trim my arms. Okay. Hopefully I don't be in pain. Okay. Stop. I got it to like this, which is stir it up. Wrap. Flat on my arm. Ooh, shit, kind of hot. Shit. Ooh, it's kind of hot. I'm trying it off a little because I don't know if it's gonna hurt or not. I'm trying to turn it off because I really just turned this shit all the way up. It's not supposed to be all the way up, but I guess we're just gonna let it cool. I just put a little because I don't know if it's gonna hurt, so I just want to try it first. So don't judge me. I'ma do it. I'ma do it. But I ain't trying to be in pain. There we go with the bullshit. Oh. Okay. Damn, that was kind of sticky. Ooh, child. Ooh, shit, y'all, this hurt. This actually. Ooh. Damn, it's like attached to my fucking arms, like it won't want to let go. Like, I should have got some shots for this shit. Some Hennessy, some Shiraz, some Douce. Oh shit. Look at this shit. But I'm ready for this shit to be over. I'm sitting on some water. If y'all hear all that crinkling sound, it's the water. Y'all. This got me tight. I ain't gonna lie, this got me tight. And it may look little to y'all, but I promise you, if you wax yourself, you gonna be like, hell nah, y'all ain't gonna be with it. I ain't even with it. Ooh, okay, I'm almost done, y'all. Okay. Ooh. Look at all this little stuff stuck on. This give me high anxiety, you guys, literally. Because I'm not. We finna do the arms. Oh shit, I don't got time for all that. Okay. Y'all see me, y'all see me. Okay. Ooh. I don't think okay. So, Chantel, just rip it off. Just rip it off as fast as you can. Don't think about it. Just do it. 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 Ooh. Nope. Okay. 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 Oh, okay. Okay. Ooh. This hurts. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Is it taking some of the hair? That's the point. Like, y'all not, it's not even taking no hair, but you want to pull me. You're pulling me and it hurts and you're not even taking the hair out. Like, okay, it took some hair off, y'all. I'm almost done. Okay. Y'all know y'all probably like,
girl, you don't rip it off, but listen, sis.
Listen, sis, listen, bro. gonna take a little minute. Just wait. Just wait. So, okay. It wasn't that bad as the armpits, but it's bad. Please believe it. It's bad. It's bad. I'm talking about it's bad. It's bad. Look at this. Look at this. Disrespectful. Disrespectful. I think I'm going to go ahead and try to wax. I ain't gonna fuck with that, but we finna. I think that's gonna hurt. Y'all think I might break out because of this? What y'all think? I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. Who cares? Who cares? Oh shit. Wait. See, that's my problem. I keep doing. What the fuck? Wait. Oh, that just hurt it. That didn't count, but it did took some hair off. I ain't gonna lie to you, it took some hair off. We're gonna try this again. Oh my. It's kind of looking a little cute, a little bit. Okay, so I dip it and roll it, dip it and roll it. I'm not a professional. Don't come down the comments and jaw on me, because I'm not a professional. This is too much. I'm not gonna lie, that's too much. I'm not doing that. That's too much. Okay. Damn. Okay, y'all. I need to stop being a big wuss. And we. I had to let this freaking wax woman warm up. Okay, y'all. So I'm back. I had to let this freaking wax woman warm up. Period. Okay. I was like, I'm gonna put it right here. I'm just gonna come up close. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's so little, but it's. I'm gonna probably get it like right here. Okay. Wish me luck. It looks like a freaking worm on my face. Like, how look, y'all? It hurts. Oh, wow. Okay. 1, 2. Did it take some hair? Yep, it did. I'm making a freaking mess, like a Superman seed. Y'all, you see me. You see me. You see me. You see me. When I close my mouth like this, it's sleek lifting. Whoa. Y'all, I don't feel good at all, and this stuff on my face is just making me just so worse, and I cannot stand this. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, y'all, I got some hair off. This got me tight. I'm tired. Y'all, it's... It's like, even though it's small, it still hurt. Like, it still hurt, even though if it's small. It still hurt. Actually liking the results. Like, oh, I'm actually liking results for these.